What is precipitation? Precipitation is any form of water that falls from the atmosphere to the Earth's surface. It's part of the water cycle and can occur in several forms depending on temperature and atmospheric conditions. What are the forms of precipitation? 1. Rain. It is the most common form of precipitation. In this, the water droplet size is larger than 0.5 millimeters and smaller than 6 millimeters. Any drop of water larger than size 6 millimeters tends to break up into smaller sized drops during its fall from cloud. On the basis of intensity, rainfall is classified as light rain less than 2.5 millimeters per hour. Moderate rain 2.5 to 7.5 millimeters per hour. Heavy rain greater than 7.5 millimeters per hour. Though, snowfall. Snowfall is another important form of precipitation. Snow are made up of ice crystals which usually combine to form flakes. When these flakes reaches to the Earth's surface, then snowfall occur. The snowfall occur when nearer to Earth's surface the temperature is freezing, about 300 meters from surface. Average density of snow 0.1 gram cube. 3. Drizzle. A fine sprinkle of numerous water droplets which have size less than 0.5 millimeters and intensity of these water droplet is less than 1 millimeter per hour. Then we call them drizzle. As the size and intensity of drizzle is very less, they appear to float in air. 4. Glaze. When the water droplet, rain or drizzle, come in contact with ground which have the temperature near about 0 degrees Celsius or less than it, these water drops freeze and form ice coating on ground surface which is called glaze or freezing rain. 5. Sleet. It is frozen raindrops which have transparent grains. These are formed when rainfall is at sub-freezing temperature. Sleet denotes both rain and snow. Usually the size of sleet is less than 5 millimeters. 6. Hail. It is a large size of snow which has a size greater than 8 millimeter. They are in the form of irrigator pellets or lumps of ice. They are very destructive in nature. They destroy the agriculture and are harmful for animals and humans. They occur when the vertical current of wind are very strong. The general velocity of different types of precipitation are: drizzle drops 1 meter per second, rain drops 10 meters per second, hail 20 to 50 meters per second.